Get ready to add two dynamic sounds to your Quranic reading, the rolled ra and the buzzing zay. These letters bring movement and melody to the words of Allah, the Most High. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Learn Quran. You're making wonderful progress. Today we add two new friends to your Arabic alphabet, R and Z. First, let's meet R. It's pronounced Ra. Listen closely. Ra, Ra, Ra. For Ra, your tongue gently taps the roof of your mouth, just behind your front teeth. It's like the RR in Spanish, pero. Don't worry if you can't roll it perfectly yet. A single clear tap is a great start. This letter can sound light or heavy depending on the vowels around it. A nuance we'll explore more as you advance. For now, focus on that clear tap. And remember, R is a rebel letter. It doesn't connect forward to the next letter. Next up is Z. It sounds just like the Z'd in English, as in zebra or buzz. Listen, zay, zay, zay. Your tongue is behind your front teeth and you let the air buzz out. Very straightforward. Like R, Z is also a rebel letter. It connects backward, but never forward. Let's see her in action. Here's the word rub, rab. This means Lord. The ra here is heavy, as it often is when followed by A or U sounds, or when it has a fatha. Listen again, rab. Now another ra, but lighter. Rizq, risk. This beautiful word means provision or sustenance from Allah. Notice how the ra is lighter here, due to the I sound after it. Rizq. Moving to Z, here is zait. Zait, this word means olive oil. You can clearly hear the buzzing Z sound, zait. And another one for Z Aziz, Aziz. This is one of Allah's beautiful names meaning mighty or dear one. The Zai sound is clear in the middle of the word. Aziz. One more with Z, mizan. Mizan. This means scale or balance. A very important concept in Islam. Hear the Zay sound in the middle. Mizan. All right, time to practice these sounds together. I'll say the letter or word, then you repeat after me. I say Ra. You say, pause, I say Zay. You say, pause, I say Rab. You say, pause, I say Rizq. You say, pause, I say Zait. You say, pause, I say Aziz. You say, pause, excellent work. Keep practicing that tongue tap for Ra and the clear buzz for Zay. You just learned two more essential letters of the Arabic alphabet. Ajr, the rolled Ra, and Z, the buzzing Zay. You practice them in beautiful words from the Quran. Remember how they connect only backward, never forward. What incredible progress you are making. Keep practicing these new sounds.